Hi, today we are seeing in this video that one stock is giving for the in 5 years during period 11,040% returns is giving. That stock name is the Sport King. This stock is giving for in 5 during 5 years period 11,040% is giving returns. That stock price is in 5 years before in 12 rupees 50 paisa. 12 rupees 50 paisa you are buying for 10,000 shares. It becomes for your investment for 1,25,000. 1,25,000 you are invested in 5 years before. Now the present sport king that share price is 1,392 rupees. 1,392 rupees to you are multiplying for 10,000 shares. It becomes for that 1 crore 39 lakh 20,000. How much of returns is giving for in 5 years before 5 years during 5 years during 5 years. Imagine because for your amount is compounding for 139 times 139 times your amount 1 lakh 25,000 is compounding for 139 times is in during 5 years. You are giving for big returns. You are invested in 5 years. During 5 years is 1,25,000. After for getting for that 1 crore 39 lakh 20,000. How much of returns is giving for that sporting that stock? Imagine. And this the power of stock market. Here to make money, you have to make money. You are how much of knowledge is in the share market. You are making money also. In that's you are making for money. That's it. And so learn and more and more. Learn for more and more and make use money in the share market. And this bulk of this big of returns is to make in the small. Just small business also not make for this as bulk of returns, because that in small business also not just making for 1 to 2 lakh rupees monthly they are earning in 1 to 2 lakh rupees in per annum is to 12 to 50 lakh rupees. In 12 to 50 lakh rupees to making for 1 crore 13 lakh it becomes a tax for that 12 points out 10 it takes for the 10 years. It takes for 10 years. So this bulk of returns is to not making for during this 5 years and you are started in business also. So this is the power of stock market. And then just you are invested in 1,25,000 into making money in for 1 crore 39 lakh 20,000. And this is in your investment. You are starting in a business also. Your business also not making for this type of this use returns of money, because in startup business also. In some startup, some small investment business also not making for these returns of money. So that's why this is the first power of stock market. And you also invest in more money. Don't invest in more money because you have to make more money in first learn and more in the share market, and they also make for more and more money. And you have how much of knowledge in the share market, you do also make of money. That's it. So that's why and do research and go focus which business are going well and performing well in the society, and in future for which business are performing well, and in future for which is the which business has to for which business to our product, and what is the demand of the future. And for analyzing for all, and do invest and do research and then invest, because don't lose money without research, without knowledge you are losing money. So that's why don't without research and don't without learning to invest in share market. First learn and then invest and make money. So and here to make money is the patience important. You have to make, because you are investment amount you are invested 1,20,000 to holding that in, you are holding and waiting for to long time. You are making for this bulk of this big of returns, because you are holding to 5,000 for 5 years you are waiting for that patience. That patience is important in making of money. Is not only in share market, in everything every sectors to make to have to achieve for you. One person says you have to patience is important. You don't have patience, you can't anything achieve. You can't achieve for anything, or you can't do for anything. You can't success not earning. So that's why patience is important to making money, and everything in every sector to do, you have to achieve for something. Is you have to achieve for something. Patience is important. So you have to wait. You have to wait for the right time, and you have to wait for the time. So that's why patience is important to making for money. So you also learn for the share market and holding for the long times, holding for long time, and first research do is that businesses to making for the need that businesses to future is performing well or not, that businesses to need or not in future to public so for analyze for everything that product is useful or not in future, how much of first analyze for that market, what is the market capitalization of the market, what is the balance sheet, so the research for what is the book value of and what is the earning per share, what is the return on equity, and how do for analyze for and everything, do research and what is the market, what is the work of, what is the employees of cooperation, what is that companies how is going. So that's why analyze for everything and do then invest and money, and don't lose money because without research and without research and without analyze and don't lose money and don't invest, and so that's it video, and you also make money and get rich in your future, and also live wealthy life and get financial freedom of life and solve your financial commitments, and so create passive income in the share market and get bulk of returns and lead for financial freedom of life. So that's it in front of videos, and thank you for and share these videos for to your friends and families and relations and for anyone, and thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe for this channel, and in front of videos are more returns giving stocks are coming, videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this, and thank you for watching this video.